Hi everyone, how are you? Thank you for coming back and watching my video and for following and subscribing. And okay, let's get into this. I am going to reveal my projects for the kit collaboration from Junk Journal Craft Lena and Lily Fee the Paper Witch. Here's their Etsy information. And the collaboration kits are Roses Mon Amour. And I will have the links in the description box down below for both kits. They are different, and there are freebies that are available in the Facebook group. So I will also have that link in the description box. And let's get into this flip through. So I have made two projects. I have first this one made with the KF's Crafts Viewmaster die set. And then I have, which this is Daniela's, the front page is Daniela's paper collection. Okay. And then this one is a freebie that is available in the Facebook group from Lena. And then this is one of the ephemera pieces. The previous video is a walkthrough of the papers that I have, kind of a generalization of what you can expect from this kit. Here's one of Daniela's pages from the collection. And then this is Lena's, one of Lena's pages. Okay, and so I'm going to do a walkthrough on this one in another video. It'll take too long if I do both. So this one is the KF's Crafts Viewmaster die set, and you can see that I went shabby with it, and I fussy cut some images from Daniela's paper collection. I love the fairy, and I went to Sticklestown. I used, I believe this is the platinum one. Okay, and what I did is I initially cut out 8 pages and turned them into pockets. And inside this pocket is one of the envelopes from Lena's collection. It is a cut apart, and it has the places where you fold and glue together. And from the Viewmaster, the little images that were left from the die cuts, I made this little card. And this is one of the background pieces from Lena's collection, and this is from Daniela's collection. And then I have one of Daniela's tags, one of Lena's tags. Isn't this, they are just beautiful. And in Isabella's video, I want to call her Isabella. Oh my gosh, I'm crazy. She references that it's like a garden, and of course, I mean, it is definitely like a garden. And what I did is I printed on both sides of the paper. Okay, and yes, I made it look like a little, file envelope. And so this is a cute little happy mail all together that can go. And then I also made these little tags with the pieces that were cut from the Viewmaster die set. And you could actually put a teeny tiny little picture there if you wanted to, and use this like a journal, you know, or a memory album. That was my thought behind it. And then we also have some tucks and pockets. And then over here, I used one of the tags that comes in the collection. That beautiful hummingbird, and I fussy cut one of the flowers. And then you could use this as a journaling piece. This is from Lena's collection. I believe this is one of Daniela's. And then I fussy cut the flower from one of Lena's. And then I die cut the page without any pop out, so that you could actually use this as a photo mat or do some journaling. If you had the die set yourself, of course you could cut out and add more pages. I might do that, and I'm thinking about selling this particular one, so if anybody's interested, let me know. And so we have these, this page. Here is another. Make sure I show you everything. Okay, and here's a tag from Lena's collection. It is a fussy cut, and then I turned it into a bag topper and used one of Daniela's pages and just used a circle punch and kind of made it look like a tag. And then here's one of the cut aparts, perfect for journaling. And here's one of the tags from Lena's collection, and I believe this one's from Daniela's. Okay. And then on this side, I have this little envelope from Daniela's. And then this was just, it ended up with this leftover, so I thought it was cute. And so you see you have a pocket here, and it can hold the envelope. I have some more of these little fun little tags, so you could use those as embellishments. Here's this envelope, and then of course I added some paper clips. Here's another one of the images. One side is Lena's, the other side is Daniela's collection. Okay, and it just works out really well to do it that way and print on both sides. I like it. And then here we have another little bag topper I made. And then here's one of the postage stamps images. It's the tag. And I folded it this way, and now I have a bag topper. And then I used a puzzle piece die, and I cut out some thin chipboard and glued it to Daniela's paper collection, or is that Lena's? I'm not sure, but I was trying to use up everything and add, because I think this would be really cool. And I'm, like I said, if anybody's interested in buying it, message me and we can talk about it. Here's a embellishment I made, like a tag. And here's another embellishment I made. Here's this page. This is also a pocket. Inside here we have another one of Lena's gorgeous tags. Two of her tags. One I turned into another bag topper. And then here's the an actual bookmark or tag. Okay. And then you turn the page, and this can be a tuck. Isn't this gorgeous? I love the papers. I wanted to play with that die, and I think it worked out very well because the Viewmaster, you know, there was a lot of them that I had as a kid, and there were flowers And, you know, so I thought it was kind of whimsical to use it that way. Here's one of the tags. Here's one of the gorgeous hummingbirds. And then on the other side is that collage page from Lena's. There's just a little page. You know, you could clip that there. And I fussy cut some images for tucks. But I had a lot of fun. There's this tag. And of course I said I went to Sticklestown because I love stickles. And then inside this pocket, here's this one that I turned in also into a bag topper. So there's 3 large bag toppers. And there's another of Daniela's tags. Lots of room for junk journaling and memory making, and if you had the die you could add more. And then here's another, you know, a little tuck. You could tuck stuff there. And then here's this little one that I made. This pom-pom keychain came from Brittany in a Happy Mail, Patreon mail 1 month. And then I used organza and some beautiful ribbons and tied off on the rings. And so there we have this one. And I love how it turned out. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much for walking through this flip through with me, watching this video. I appreciate you very much. And again, here's the information. This is the Roses Mon Amour kit, and there are 2 kits, and there is a freebie. Here's Daniela's freebie. There was washi, and you know, I showed you. I made this paper clip with the freebies, and you can get the freebie in the Facebook group, and I will put that information in the description box. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will, in the next video, I'm going to do a flip through of this book. But for now, we have this, and so thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the group, and thanks for liking, subscribing, and kind comments, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind. Have a great day. Bye.